Alright, new candidate. Let's see. Robert Kim. btslove1993@gmail.com. Seriously? Hey guys, you're now watching the second episode of Work Abroad 101. Let me ask you this. Are you still using your personal email account on your resume? Or when you email the HR managers or professionals in the industry? If that's the case, maybe it's time for you to create a new email account. Today I'll talk about why you need a separate email account just for the use for job hunting, and I'll give you a few tips on setting up your email as well. Let's get straight into it. Number 1. Be professional. Let's assume that you're a HR manager and you received a bunch of emails for job applications in your inbox. You click one email and what could be the very first things you would see? A title of email, name of sender, and the email address, right? Then, how would you feel if the candidate's email address is like lovebts1993@gmail.com or hipsterguy@naver.com? Well, even though I'm a huge fan of BTS, and some position might require a certain level of creativity, would you really feel that this person is ready for jumping into the professional world? Just like any email addresses used by companies, the best option to reflect your credibility would be your name. Whether it's your full name, first name, last name, or a combination of your name and initial. It's also good to add an underscore or dot to separate your first name and last name. Here are some examples of a person named Yoo Sang Kim, and let's say he's also got a preferred English name, Robert. See, you can have many options like that, combining your Korean name, English name, or initial. Number 2, exclude numbers. If your name is too common, like John Smith, you might be thinking of adding a few numbers, such as the year of your birth, your birthday, or some random numbers. As a matter of fact, many Koreans actually do this. But you know, it's kinda unnecessary to advertise your age or birth year on your email address, even though you eventually let the companies know your personal information once you join. Not for everyone, but email accounts containing numbers could be considered as unreliable contact sometimes. Even if you choose all the options using your name, and still have some troubles with choosing the appropriate email address, I'll suggest combining your name with the industry or position you apply for, so that you can show your commitment and expertise in them. Now it makes sense? Number 3, use Gmail and add your signature. Many countries have their own largest mail provider, such as naver.com in Korea or 163.com in China. I've often seen many cases that email accounts other than Gmail or Hotmail get trapped by spam filters, so that your resume might even lose a chance to reach the inbox. Personally, I prefer to use Gmail as it's really easy to manage my multiple accounts all together through the app, and also all the functions are very straightforward. Once you create a new email account just for the use for job hunting communication, my last advice is to always add a signature at the bottom of your message. This will enhance your credibility and it's easier for recipients to find your message in the future. Let me show you how to do it with Gmail in case you're not familiar with it. Open your Gmail first and click Settings on the right. And Settings once again. And then if you scroll down, you'll see this signature section. Click the second option and fill in information including first and last name, phone number, email address, and your LinkedIn profile link. Make sure the email address on your LinkedIn ties out with the address you created. And save your changes. Now you're done. Now click this Compose button You will see your signature at the bottom of your message. Okay, that's it for today, and this was the very first step to lay a foundation for your successful job hunting. Remember, your email is very critical in the world of business and commercial interaction with all the professionals out there. So try to avoid anything unprofessional and anything untrustworthy. In the next sessions, I'll cover how to prepare a resume and cover letter in the Western countries and share some templates I use for your future uses. If you found this video helpful and look forward to my next videos, please subscribe, like, and comment below and share this video with your close friends. Thanks for watching.